Do you want to see the proof of income and how much your niche site can cost? Let's go to the Empire Flipper marketplace, where people sell their niche sites for tons of money. Here is the site in outdoor niche, which makes over $11,000 per month. It was started in November 2016. Its net profit $11,487. In December, it made over $14,000. The site was sold for $367,000. Can you imagine that? Here is another site in home niche. It makes over $2,000 per month and it was sold for $66,000. Here is another site in equipment niche. It makes over $4,000 per month and it was sold for over $156,000. Here is the site in health and fitness niche. It makes over $8,000 per month. It was built in May 2017 and owner was to sell it for over $310,000. Here is the site in apparel and accessories niche. It makes over $5,000 per month and it was built in February 2017. And finally, here is the site in kitchenware niche. It's making over $2,000 per month, but after just 1 year of creation in 2018, it was already sold for $86,000. How cool is that? If you want to build a profitable niche site that brings you in from $1,000 to $10,000 per month and sell it for $100,000 after 1 year, join the forum today.